Does the thought of learning a new language keep you up at night? Are you fed up of not feeling included in conversations? Are you in a world filled with Shona speakers and you want to understand what they are saying? Spending countless hours reading books won't solve your language learning problems.
Look at
What
this.
you need is...
Oh, what is it?
Sarura Kids.
Sarura Kids was founded in 2019 by early childhood development teachers in Zimbabwe in collaboration with parents in the diaspora. We have a YouTube channel. We also sell books in major bookstores internationally. We have a website that showcases learning hacks and gives you a wealth of resources to turbocharge your Shona language learning journey. Why not commit 30 days to the Ultimate Shona Learning Pack, which will guide you through the basic phrases, working on your accent, as well as learning how to read Shona. We're committed to making learning Shona fun for the whole family. Find Sarura Kids on sarurakids.com, YouTube, Instagram, X, TikTok, Facebook, Reddit, and Pinterest. Mulanezwa rakanaka.